Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make roasted tomato stew. This is an easy way on how to prepare your tomato stew at home with some special spices and herbs that will take this stew to another level. Stew is so delicious and the smell is so inviting because of all the natural spices that we use. Thank you Renka's Kitchen for inspiring me to cook this stew. Stay tuned if you want to find out how I make this delicious stew. To make this stew, I've already washed my chicken, so I'm going to season it with salt, stock cube, add thyme, to use goat meat, beef or anything you like. Then I'll add the blended scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic and onion. Mix to combine, then allow to cook. It's our advice, if you want your tomato stew to be so tasty that you will not cook it for a long time, try using plum tomato. It's different from salad tomatoes. Add the tomatoes. You can notice that the shapes are different. After some minutes, I'll add a little water and allow the chicken to continue cooking. I'll cut my ginger, garlic, onion, red bell peppers, scotch bonnet and tomatoes. The ginger and onion. Cut the red bell peppers and tomatoes and add everything into the oven tray. You can also add the scotch bonnet. When I'm done cutting, I will set aside because I want my chicken to be fully cooked and tender so that I can put everything into the oven. Preheat the oven when you notice that the chicken have cooked properly. I'll be putting the chicken in the oven tray. If you like, you can fry your chicken, but I prefer grilling the chicken to save time. This method is so easy and stress-free because you just put the chicken and the tomato in the same oven. When the tomato is ready, you can allow the chicken to grill further. After about 45 minutes, the tomato is ready. I'll allow it to cool before blending. The authentic spices that I'll be using for this stew, which is calabash nutmeg and black pepper. I'll blend them into a fine powder. The roasted tomato, red bell pepper and onions have fully cooled down. I'll be adding them into the blender. Adding the blended spices, which is calabash nutmeg and black pepper. The herbs, I'll be using basil leaf and rosemary. You can also use the dried rosemary. I will add everything into the blender, cover and blend into a smooth puree. You can see how thick the tomato mixture is because I don't need to add water at this stage. I'm done blending, I will set aside. I've already preheated my pot, so I'll be adding some oil into the preheated pot. I'll add some curry powder and thyme into the oil. Then I'll add the blended tomato mixture and stir. When I'm done adding the tomato mixture, I will stir and allow to fry for about 5 minutes. While the tomato is frying, I'll add stock cube. I'll cover the pot and allow it to continue frying. The chicken stock I got from the chicken, so I will rinse the blender. After 5 minutes of frying the tomato mixture, I'll add the chicken stock into the tomato mixture, cover the pot and allow it to simmer. Stew is still cooking. You can taste for salt and add if needed. When you notice that the stew has boiled down, according to your consistency, you can add the grilled chicken or any assorted meat you are using. When I'm done adding the grilled chicken, I will stir and allow to simmer. After about 5 minutes, turn off the heat. The stew is ready. Thank you Renka's Kitchen for sharing this delicious roasted tomato stew recipe, because the combination of the spices and herbs that you use make this stew to taste so delicious, and the smells are so amazing. Guys, try making this stew on any of your special occasion or for your family. Trust me, this stew tastes so delicious, and only the aroma is so inviting that you would like to eat more. I hope you try this, and thank you all for watching.